Hello, and welcome back to Life Health Hacks. Today's video will be going over some tips to get started on a natural detox to keep you healthy from the inside out. Detoxing your body of harmful chemicals and years of settled toxins is imperative for a healthy and happy body. Our bodies have an intrinsic detoxification method, but today, that's not enough. Between the chemicals and processed foods that we have a tendency to ingest daily, to the pollutants steadily building all around us, this backup will cause severe problems with our health, both mind and body. When we are full of these unnatural toxins, our bodies are regularly attempting to fight them off, which can cause us to feel sluggish. These toxins may also affect our psychological state. Exercise and all-natural diets have been shown to assist in cutting back the symptoms of tension and depression. Create a concept. You want to begin the cleansing method days before you start the detox. Starting 3 days before, begin choosing simple, digestible, extremely alimentary foods like soups, leafy greens, steamed veggies, raw veggies, and clear liquids. By doing this, you're permitting your body to ease into the cleanse. You don't get to go cold turkey on processed foods, but it's a good plan to start to ease out of them. Begin by ingesting additional whole grains, contemporary veggies, and contemporary fruits. Replace 1 meal a day to begin, then 2, till you do not crave those extremely processed chemical-laden foods. Here are some tips to assist you in preparing your body for your cleanse. 1. Begin each day with a glass of lukewarm water. You can even try squeezing a bit of lime or lemon juice in it to assist in boosting your metabolism. 2. Drink water. Replace the sodas and sweet drinks with massive glasses of water. You can incorporate natural or cleansing teas into your routine. 3. Hungry? You can drink light soups or broths. These carry a great amount of nutritional value to help keep your body hydrated. 4. Avoid table salt. Try using sea salt, pink salt, or even kelp instead. 5. Have a healthy breakfast. Make a healthy shake with veggies and all-natural juices. 6. Cut back the number of pork you're intaking. Processed meats are dangerous for your body, avoid sausages or anything cured. 7. Eat less bread and pasta, however, eating more whole grains and gluten-free grains like quinoa is a great alternative. 8. Avoid those deep-fried foods and baked goods. Natural detox supplements. When your body is struggling with the detox, generally it's good to help it along a little. All natural detox supplements can be taken even after your detox is over, to assist your body's natural detoxing process. Schisandra. This berry has been used for thousands of years in ancient Chinese medicine. It is most known as a booster for your liver. Schisandra is jam-packed with antioxidants and helps to push the detoxing along, defend your cells from free radicals, and helps to ward off diseases. Schisandra may be taken as a pill, dried extract with water, or even as a tea. Magnesium toxic overloads within the body may cause constipation. Magnesium will assist with the relaxation of the muscles within the digestive tract. It may also help with neutralizing stomach acids. Milk thistle is a very powerful antioxidant and can help fight against inflammation in the body. Milk thistle strengthens the liver's cell walls, protecting it from toxins. It may also facilitate reversing years of harm to the liver from prescription meds, antibiotics, alcohol, metals, and pollution. You can continue taking milk thistle before, during, and after your detox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.